You are my 4 years daughter Samriddhi Pandey. She's going at the morning 9:30 a.m. home to school and 2:30 p.m. Come back from her school and doing her homework a little bit and then she's very tired and sleeping. So let's support hardworking girls like Somu and the other daughters who are who pay love to her father. Every daughter loves father, father loves daughter. So please, if you have any little bit of hearts for your daughter, kindly support this channel and subscribe and follow for more video and update.